So, I had a couple of days to spare in Manila in the Philippines before my flight to Vietnam. I'd heard of the Taal, the second most active volcano in the Philippines, with 33 eruptions. It's also a lake within a volcano within a lake, so I just had to check it out. We gathered a team of backpackers from the hostel we were staying at, and we hit the road. Before we knew it, we were on 2 homemade boats, racing across the external lake and headed straight for the crater. We met our guide at the base of the volcano and began the 300-meter ascent to the ridge. It was blazing hot and fumes were coming out of the rocks, but when we got to the top, it was all worth it. We spent an hour at the top before heading back down. We met some locals and we got schooled at basketball. We did get coconuts as a consolation prize, so there is that. Until next time, Philippines. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to be making a lot more of these videos very soon, so if you could like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, that would really help me out. Alrighty, see you next time.